have been narrating troubles in the Middle East. At this time, the Israelites had had their independence for 26 years. And soon they were going to start a war. The Egyptians and Syrians wanted to start a war with Israel. And this war lasted 6 days. But after 6 days of fighting, Israel won. And they actually took some parts of, for example, they took a part of Syria, and they took a part of Egypt. That's what they did. They claimed it as their own land after the enemy's defeat. But soon, the Egyptians and Syrians wanted their land back. So they asked Russia for help, and Russia helped them. And later on, Israel was starting to get worried, for they were outnumbered and outmatched. So what they did, they asked America for help. America at first hesitated and didn't want to join the war. But when they heard Russia was going against Israel, they joined. They urgently sent guns and gasoline to Israel to help them. And after this war, after part of this war, the Israelites were winning. But soon there would be, America would start to ration their food. Or they would have to, they were running out of gas. Because they gave so much, they helped Israelites so much. And the people who are selling gases, because America relied mostly on other countries to get their gas. So what they did, so they weren't allowed, because the people didn't want to give America because they helped Israel. And soon enough, the amount of gas for cars and other vehicles were starting to run out. So many gas stations would be closed or would only have a bit. And they made a rule where if your last plate number is odd number, you can only get gasoline on odd days. And if it's even number, you can only get gas on even days. So, and soon enough, the price of gasoline turned into 25 cents to $1. But soon, after a while, this incident or gasoline, like after this little bit of gasoline age, like after a long time of only having a little gas, the other countries finally decided to give them some gas. And America didn't want any more trouble, so they managed to get Israel and Egypt to do a peace treaty. And soon enough, the peace treaty was signed. But the Israelites declared them victorious because the Egyptians and Syrians didn't get any of their land back. So all that fighting for nothing. So the Israelites considered themselves victorious. Egypt was one of the ones that actually got along with Israel after this war. And soon enough, most Egyptians didn't like the king, their president, to get along with the Israelites. So what they did, some two people assassinated the king. So, thinking that it would break the alliance, the new king would break the alliance with Israel. But their plan completely failed after the next king, the descendants, actually respected and was loyal to the contract. And then that's all.